They say Floridians can't handle cold weather, but it's 50 degrees right now and I love it. I say enjoy it because in a couple of months, everyone's gonna be complaining about how hot it is, right? So enjoy this nice cool weather because it's about to get hot. What's going on, guys? Today I wanna talk to you about what's happening in the real estate industry. I want to give you guys a quick market report on the first month of 2025. Can you guys believe it? We're almost out of January of 2025. If you're looking to buy a house, I want to talk to you about some of the factors that are affecting the market. It's still a buyer's market. I'm going to show you a report of the MLS and some of the homes that are on the market and why it's still a buyer's market. Single family homes between $400,000 and $500,000, 1,300 square feet or more. Just a simple search, average search of what type of homes are being searched for, the type of homes that people are looking for. And you can see here we have 53 matches. I filtered out the tax amount so it doesn't go over $6,000 per year. I filtered out the association fees. And here in the single line display, let me show you something. You see all these arrows here? Look at what's happening here, right? All these arrows are pointing down. What does that mean? Price reduction. All these homes that you see with the red arrows pointing down, they've been reduced. What does that mean for you as a buyer? We're in a market now. First of all, it's kind of a good thing, right? I know sellers don't think that, but remember about a year and a half ago, there was only a 2-month supply of inventory. Now we have almost a 5-month, a 4.5, 5-month supply of inventory. It means we have more homes on the market. And unfortunately, like I said, a lot of sellers, I'm sure they're not happy about that, but their homes are sitting on the market longer. When a home sits on the market longer, it means there's more leverage for the buyers, right? So if there's more leverage for the buyers, you can negotiate things like the price of the home, number one. You can negotiate concessions back to you that you can use towards your closing costs. And you can also negotiate buy down concessions, right? You can get the seller to give you some money back or ask the seller to give you some money back to buy down the interest rate. If you're finding value in this video, folks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Send this to someone you think might find it useful. Interest rates are hovering around the 6.25% for an FHA loan, about a point higher, about the 7% range for a conventional loan. So, interest rates are better, right? A year and a half ago, I was quoting 7.5% interest rate for FHA loans, right? And an FHA loan is a Federal Housing Administration loan, right? That means it's backed by the federal government. It's a more flexible loan. It has a lower interest rate, number one. Number two, it gives you the ability to put less money down, right? So you only need 3.5% down on the loan. And you don't need to have as high a credit score, right? I can get someone into an FHA loan with as low as a 620 credit score, really 600 depending on what is on your credit, but I always advise people get it up to at least 620 and I can get you into an FHA loan with enough income and down payment. On the second page, same thing, guys, same thing. You see all these red arrows here, all the way up to 500,000. Everyone is reducing the price on their home. Let's click on one of these and see what's happening. All right, so this is a nice looking home. It's in West Palm Beach, 480,000. It's a 3-2, 2-car garage, 1,530 square feet. New roof, right? And let's see where it was. All right, so you see here, this is what I was talking about, right? 70 days on the market, DOM, days on the market. Previous listing price, original listing price was $495,000. They reduced it to $485,000. So you see what's happening there. After homes have been on the market for 30, 60 days, people start reducing the price. And as a buyer, that's where you can come in and say, hey, I like your home, I want to buy your home, I need some money back to help me with closing costs, and you can negotiate because it's a buyer's market. But guess what? Come springtime, March, April, that's going to flip. I tell people all the time, real estate is cyclical, right? It's up and down, right? Because now you have the leverage. In a couple months, 3 months, the sellers are going to have the leverage, right? Because more people are going to be in the market purchasing. So now they don't have to reduce the price of their home. They're going to get people who are, bidding on their home. They're going to get multiple offers. So now they have the leverage and you have to come up with more money to buy their house. So it's all cyclical. So I'm putting the website down here below, guys, if you're interested in getting pre-approved or pre-qualified to see where you stand in terms of purchasing a home. Even if you're not ready right now, go to that website, reach out to me, and I'll help you.